Hey everyone, this is Priya Jeyaprakash. This is my project 2, two-way optical communication, and this just shows how I did everything. In this photo, I have my LT Spice, where this is just my power source that has 4.5 volts and negative 4.5 volts, and this is my receiver, where this is the photocell taking in the speaker, and then it is going into an op amp to drive the current, and then there are 4 buffers to make sure the correct amount of current reaches the actual speaker. And then I just have my voltage divider with 4 op amps to produce the changing LED light levels. For my transmitter circuit, on the bottom I have my aux, where it is connected to a capacitor, and then it is connected to a voltage source, which is obtained from the aux, and then it is going into another capacitor, and then there is a feedback loop op amp, where the resistor on the top of the feedback loop is a potentiometer, and then there is an LED coming out from that output, which would be the mic or the aux indicator LED. In the mic part of my transmitter, I have a power supply connected to my microphone resistance, and then it is going into a capacitor, and then there is a resistor that is grounded, connected parallelly to cut the voltage. This is then fed into the op amp, where there's a potentiometer as the feedback resistor, and then a 50 ohm resistor is also grounded, connected to that moving resistance value, the potentiometer, and then a wire is pulled from the output of that first op amp for the mic and the op amp for the aux, and those are added together and used as the input for another aux amp, where the positive input is grounded, and then that is also connected to in a feedback loop with a potentiometer at the top of the loop. And then finally, the main output is connected to a resistor and the LED diode, which is connected to negative 4.5 volts on its other side. This is my partner's transmitter playing music, and if I travel over to my board, it is playing through my speaker with the LEDs. This is my overall board design. I have my receiver over here connected to my speaker, and I have my mic part of my transmitter and my aux part of my transmitter. My aux is connected to my computer. I have my laser pointer propped up with some wires and my solar panel above it. This potentiometer controls the sound of the music going through the speaker. This op amp is receiving the information from the laser pointer, the sine wave, and these 2 op amps are buffers that will make the amount of current going in to the speaker higher, so that it's playing the noise at a louder volume. These 2 potentiometers are the top and bottom of my voltage divider for my LEDs. This op amp is for my 4-level LED indicator, and those are my 4 LEDs. This is my aux circuit, where this op amp is creating the feedback loop. This potentiometer is controlling the resistor in the top of the feedback loop. This is my mic circuit. This is the mic. This is the op amp that creates the feedback loop for the mic, and this potentiometer controls the resistance in the top of the feedback loop. And then this is my summing amplifier. This is my summing amplifier. And it's connecting to 200 ohm resistors from the mic and aux output, and it is summing them up using the potentiometer. And then the output of that is going through this 100 ohm resistor and getting sent to my laser that is not grounded but is connected to negative 4.5 power. This LED will blink if there's power coming through the aux, and this one will turn on when there's power coming through the microphone. And now I will show you a small demonstration of my circuit working. So if I angle this laser, it will play music through the speaker, and it will light up the LEDs depending on how much power there is. And that green one is turning on because it's coming through the aux. And then I can also turn down the music using this potentiometer. And then to show you the microphone, I will turn down the aux power, and I will turn up the microphone power, and I will just show a little tapping, and that is my circuit. This is my speaker output. This is my transmitter signal. This is my transmitter from my aux cable, and then it connects over to my partner's board and to their receiver and plays the music.